is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
Oh, fuck. Hey, guys. It's Chrissy Pissy Shateris calling. You guys have been trolling my channel. I know what you guys have been up to. I know what you fuckers have been up to. Rashawn and Manny. I know it's you, Steven. I know it's you. You're Louise. You're Carmen. You're Rashawn. You're Manny. You're Salty Siren. I know who you are, Steven. You're everyone. You're Trace. You're Anna Faye. You're fucking everyone, man. I know who you are. I know what you're up to. You can't fucking fool me, Steven. I know who you are. I know you're everyone on your channel. I'm not losing it. I know what the fuck is going on here. I know it's all you. Everybody's on my channel is you. Rashawn, Manny, Louise. It's all fucking you. It's all you. Your whole channel is you. I'm not losing my mind. I fucking know it's you, motherfucker. I know what's going on. Don't play games with me. I'm from the hood. You demon. Why don't you just... I know what the fuck is going on. It's all you. This whole reality's you. Isn't it, Steven? Isn't it, Steven? It's all you. I ain't losing it. I seen ya. You're David Icke. I seen ya. You're Mike Tyson. You're Bruce Lee. Yeah, I got you figured out. I fucking know who it is. I know it's you. You're Tony Sayers. You're also Bruce Lee. You're Trump. Yeah, you rich fucking trust fund kid. You think you're so fucking special. You think you're so smart. You think you can fool me. You guys think you can fool me over there on the Sanity Machine. You can't fucking fool me. Hold up. You can't fool me. I know what the fuck is going on. I think I might have to call Dr. Baker. Doc Baker. I need help. I need to talk to someone. I'm kind of breaking down, guys. Guys? Guys? Hey, guys. Pick up, guys. Talk to me, guys. Guys, I know it's you. I know you're there, guys. Guys?